Welcome to Infornado, where we explore the most fascinating frontiers of knowledge, from the depths of our oceans to the farthest reaches of the cosmos. And speaking of the cosmos, today we're setting our sights on the final frontier with 10 mind-blowing facts about space exploration in 2024. So, buckle up, space cadets, because we're about to embark on a journey that'll take us from the surface of the moon to the edges of our solar system, and maybe even beyond. Get ready to have your mind blown wide open. Remember that giant leap for mankind back in '69? Well, get ready for another one. 2024 marks the year humanity plants its boots back on the lunar surface with NASA's Artemis 3 mission. This time, it's not just about leaving footprints. We're building a sustainable presence, a lunar outpost for future adventures, like sending humans to Mars. So get ready to witness history in the making, because 2024 is the year we take that giant leap back to the moon. You know how sometimes you get a new telescope, and suddenly you're seeing craters on the moon and rings around Saturn like never before? That's what the James Webb Space Telescope has been doing for us since its launch. This marvel of engineering isn't just a telescope, it's a time machine peering into the distant past. We're talking about the discovery of Earth-like exoplanets, planets outside our solar system. It's also been giving us unprecedented views of the early universe. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that out there, floating a million miles away, is a telescope that's showing us the universe as we've never seen it before. Let's talk about Elon Musk and his ambitious plans to colonize Mars. SpaceX has been putting its Starship rocket through its paces, conducting high-altitude test flights and landing maneuvers that would make even the most seasoned astronaut catch their breath. We're talking about a fully reusable spacecraft designed to ferry humans and cargo to Mars and beyond. But Starship isn't just about getting to Mars. It's about building a sustainable presence on another planet. We're talking about habitats, greenhouses, maybe even Martian coffee shops. The technologies SpaceX is developing for Starship, like reusable rockets and advanced life support systems, have the potential to revolutionize industries here on Earth. The pursuit of space exploration has always been a driver of technological advancement. So, buckle up, because the journey to Mars is just beginning. And it's a journey that promises to be filled with challenges, triumphs, and innovations that will shape the future of humanity for generations to come. Remember when going to space was the exclusive domain of governments and their massive space agencies? Well, those days are changing faster than a rocket launch. We're entering a new era where private companies are building their own space stations. With the ISS nearing retirement, companies like Axiom Space and Blue Origin are stepping up. These stations will be hubs for research, manufacturing, and even movie studios. The rise of private space stations is a game changer. More people will have access to space, leading to more innovation and discoveries. We're talking about asteroid mining, space manufacturing, and maybe even lunar real estate. It's about private companies pushing the boundaries, opening up the cosmos to everyone. While the United States has been busy with its Artemis program, China has been quietly but steadily building its own lunar ambitions. They've got their sights set on building a lunar research base by 2030, and they're well on their way. China's Chang'e lunar exploration program has been racking up some impressive achievements. They've landed rovers on the moon, collected lunar samples, and even sprouted cotton seeds on the lunar surface. But China's lunar ambitions go beyond just planting flags and conducting experiments. They see the moon as a strategic asset, a potential source of resources like helium-3, a rare isotope that could be used for future fusion reactors. China has been partnering with Russia, the European Space Agency, and other countries on various space exploration projects. The rise of China as a major player in space exploration is reshaping the geopolitical landscape, making space exploration a truly global endeavor. Let's dive into one of the biggest mysteries in the universe: dark matter. We can't see it, we can't touch it, but we know it's out there, making up a whopping 85% of the universe's mass. In 2024, scientists made some exciting progress in the hunt for this elusive substance. The European Space Agency's Euclid mission has been mapping the distribution of dark matter across the cosmos using a technique called weak gravitational lensing. By studying these distortions, scientists can create a three-dimensional map of dark matter throughout the universe, helping us understand its properties and how it affects the evolution of galaxies. The search for dark matter is one of the most challenging and exciting endeavors in modern physics, a testament to human curiosity and our insatiable desire to understand the universe. Imagine living on Mars. Not just visiting, but actually calling the red planet home. Thanks to some incredible advances in space habitat technology in 2024, that dream is becoming less fictional and more achievable. We're talking about self-sustaining ecosystems, closed-loop life support systems, and habitats that can withstand the harsh conditions of space. One of the biggest challenges of living in space is radiation, but researchers are developing new materials and shielding techniques that can protect future Martians. Scientists are working on ways to grow food in space using hydroponics and other innovative techniques. They're developing systems that can recycle wastewater and even extract moisture from the Martian atmosphere. These advances in space habitat technology aren't just about surviving on Mars. They're about thriving. The technologies we're developing to live on Mars have the potential to revolutionize life here on Earth, leading to more sustainable living, resource management, and environmental protection. Launched in 1977, the Voyager probes are like the interstellar postcards that keep on giving. These intrepid explorers have been traveling through space for over 4 decades, sending back breathtaking images of our solar system and beyond. In 2024, Voyager 2, currently cruising through interstellar space, sent back a faint signal that had scientists buzzing with excitement. The signal contained data about the heliosphere, the protective bubble created by the sun's solar wind. Voyager 2's data is giving us unprecedented insights into the shape, size, and dynamics of this bubble, helping us understand how it interacts with the interstellar medium. It's incredible to think that these probes, launched when disco was still a thing, are still teaching us so much about the universe. The Voyager probes continue to explore, discover, and inspire, reminding us that the human thirst for knowledge knows no bounds. Remember those old westerns where grizzled prospectors would risk it all for a chance to strike gold? Well, get ready for the space-age equivalent asteroid mining. In 2024, NASA's Psyche mission is set to launch. Its target? A metal-rich asteroid named Psyche, thought to be the exposed core of a protoplanet. Psyche is chock full of valuable metals like iron, nickel, platinum, and maybe even gold. The potential economic impact of asteroid mining is astronomical. Asteroid mining could also help us alleviate resource depletion here on Earth, providing a sustainable source of raw materials. Of course, asteroid mining is not without its challenges, requiring advanced technology and a whole lot of ingenuity. The quest to mine asteroids is more than just a space-age gold rush. It's about securing our future and unlocking the vast resources of our solar system. Imagine holding a piece of Mars in your hand. Thanks to the Mars Sample Return mission, that dream is one step closer to becoming a reality. NASA and the European Space Agency have teamed up for this ambitious endeavor, which aims to bring Martian samples back to Earth by the early 2030s. In 2024, the mission took a giant leap forward with the successful launch of a critical component, a rocket that will blast the Martian samples into orbit from the red planet's surface. Analyzing these Martian samples in Earth-based laboratories will allow scientists to study them in ways that aren't possible with current rover technology. The Mars Sample Return mission is a testament to human ambition, our relentless pursuit of knowledge, and our desire to unravel the mysteries of the universe. Space exploration in 2024 has been nothing short of extraordinary. From landing on the moon to searching for life beyond Earth, we're living in an era of unprecedented cosmic discovery. So stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop asking questions about the universe around us. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars.